Ban ai ya kijing hikai halo kijing ya dal ada wanan shop keyboard kamar yang kamtam na kijing Khih Jumai ubajur. Haka kendai terek urampang ar hajar ar Rio keyboard jong ke Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority ke District Disaster Management Authority ke Revenue and Disaster Management Department na kijing trailang bat ke National Disaster Management Authority kila penlong ya ke state level mock drill haka baydai bat kijing Khih Jumai haki arti jaka haka district boy. Ya kini ke mock drill la penlong nengkong ha kakat ling sun ha Umroi bat hak Umyam Distillation Private Limited EPIP ha Byrnihat. Kat kum kejing hikai bela penlong ling bagan dengan mock drill la batai bagladan kejing Khih Jumai ubajur belakot ado pra point R ha Richter scale ha Shillong ha kabala kata ado kini ki artli jaka ha ke district ni boy. Kejing don jing mynsaw jing rupat ba ki badan kam kejing sumar ki bekerkie badan ki balat na kejing mynsaw na kadau kejing don jeki ya ki lat jing ada. Ha kani ke mock drill lawan benishim bertalang do ba e merthong Assistant Commissioner District Riboy ki head officer na katnat pulit kinong train na katnat kakot kakia na katnat fire and emergency service kinong train na kaboy rombong CNRD block kinong train jong kakat lingsun Shillong ke bahu Umroi lembat kiwe ki head officer.
First of all, I'd like to inform every one of you that the search and rescue operation at airport has been completed successfully. And I congratulate everyone, all the departments involved, for successfully completing the search and rescue operation here at airport. Today's mock drill here at airport is not just a routine exercise, but is an exercise to prepare every one of us. As we all know that disaster does not give a notice before coming. It comes unexpectedly, and in those first few minutes of a disaster, if you are confused, then confusion can cost lives. However, if you are prepared, if you are aware, then coordinated efforts can help save and protect those precious lives.